Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of SLURRY's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making a classic childhood dish. I'm making Chinese scrambled egg and prawns on top of rice noodle rolls. So typically this dish is served with rice. You're thinking like shrimp omelet on noodles? No. Super large black tiger shrimp that are super bouncy and crunchy. You've got this silky smooth egg gravy that goes on top of it. And I'm telling you, it's delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!